Project Rescue India COVID Relief Service Spectrum, humble initiative to help corona-affected people by Diwali Ben Trust. Diwali Ben Trust, a 20-year-old organization based at Bardoli, Gujarat, is serving people in the fields of health, education and women empowerment in 5 districts of South Gujarat, covering 106,000 families of interior tribal and rural belt spread over nearly 500 villages. The tiniest of the tiny, an invisible coronavirus, has brought the whole world down to its knees. At the end of the first wave of this pandemic in India, the recovery seemed promising for several months. But the second wave has proved to be very lethal, almost unimaginable to the world. Many NGOs have invested large amounts of time, money and energy in obtaining and providing the most expensive diagnostic, medical and surgical support to the health system. Focusing on the need of the hour, Diwali Ben Trust has diverted all its resources to fight against the corona pandemic. The second wave of corona has proved more severe and has demanded more attention and efforts by one and all. Diwali Ben Trust has also mobilized its 4,500 volunteers in Surat, Tapi, Navsari, Valsad and Dang districts, providing more than 15 types of need-based services. We talk about a few of them here. 1. Free mask distribution. Mask distribution among the rural people has established an environment of protective barrier. The free distribution of 5,20,000 masks in 510 villages has served one more purpose. These masks are prepared by women and girls from small villages, which has created an earning opportunity for more than 250 women who have collectively generated a revenue of rupees 20 lakhs during these hard times. 2. Provision of oxygen concentrator machine. During the time of scarcity of oxygen cylinders, countless lives of patients with moderate severity and controllable oxygen levels have been saved through this life-saving instrument. More than 110 NGOs, COVID care centers and CHCs and 300 PHCs have been provided with these machines with operative and maintenance guidelines. A total of 1,700 machines have been imported from the USA and Hong Kong. Total beneficiaries are expected to be more than 50,000 from 200 villages. 3. Immunity boosters. Immunity boosting efforts include distribution of potent Ayurvedic powder with 18 herbal medicines plus Ashwagandha Tribhuvan Kirti Ras to every home. Total 5,000 kg powder has been distributed, which has served as a curative as well as preventive measure for about 250,000 rural people. 4. Bhukhya Kaje Bhojan. Bhukhya Kaje Bhojan means food for the hungry. Food kit distribution, partial lockdown and the fear of corona have adversely affected the daily wage earning community. Food kits prepared by Diwali Ben Trust are supporting these underserved masses with 10 days of groceries, which include rice, wheat flour, oil, dal, jaggery, spices, etc. 20,000 food kits made out of 20 truckloads of groceries have been distributed in 700 villages, benefiting 110,000 people from 20,000 families through this initiative. 5. Awareness campaign. Magnified fear because of ignorance is more lethal than corona itself. The real picture of the corona disease, with its symptoms, explaining when to stay at home, when to rush to the hospital, basic monitoring techniques, diet plan, homemade recipes for immunity boosting and home medical kit, etc. are expressed in layman's language for the awareness in rural areas. Posters have been placed in each village as well as government offices to diminish the fear. 6. Rapid antigen test kit provision. Basic testing kits for ruling out corona is one of the crucial elements in remote places with a very few resources. Diwali Ben Trust has provided more than 5,000 rapid test kits to CHCs of the Vansda region. 7. Supply of medicines to local rural COVID isolation centers. Analgesics, anti-allergic, multivitamins, Fab Flu, antibiotic and antiviral drugs are being supplied to all needy NGOs and people in Bharuch, Vansda, Dang and Bardoli. 8. Dead body disposal. Corona-affected dead bodies are a risk for others. Even the family members hesitate and refuse to touch such bodies. In such cases, the volunteers of Diwali Band Trust, with PPE kits and all safety sanitization measures, cremated dead bodies in the Dang district. Through these efforts, the local youth groups cremated more than 73 bodies in 30 villages of the Dang district, following all tribal funeral rituals. 9. COVID Isolation Center. At Bardoli, 30-bed COVID Isolation Center has served timely support for those patients who were unable to reach private or government hospitals. Dedicated staff of doctors and nurses, healthy nutritious food, yoga practices, creative games and 24/7 observation have helped 300 patients going back to their homes in good health. Total 1,000 sanitary pads were distributed to paramedical staff at all PHCs and CHCs. 10. Daily food for the needy. Diwali Ba Anna Kshetra has served 15,000 poor and needy people with a daily meal of khichdi and buttermilk in 17 villages of Bardoli Taluka during the second wave.